Hey everybody, I wonder a better way to celebrate my 17th birthday right on the Schindler 330 elevator with my brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's do an elevator birthday video. Here we go. And we all know is a Schindler 330A. 3. You're at 3. Let's go down 1. Let's get a cab view. It's just your basic cabs. Use your white square HD button fixtures. Since I got a new phone and it's my birthday, I figured out why we go for another ride. Here we go. What? There we go. Nice chime off there. Door close one does not work. JSL Elevators Tour fan, this is for you. Let's go back down to 1. Nice cabs. Whoops. And sorry guys, I kind of messed up. I just didn't know what it looks like when you film it, but yeah. Let's ring the bell out here. All right, we're gonna watch the door close. There it goes. And that's it. I hope you enjoy my new iPhone 17 Pro Max elevator birthday video. There you have it. Thanks for watching.